Look at this. Anybody want a couch? I'm super tired, but I just came back from the grocery store. Fridays are usually my days when I go grocery shopping for the next 2 weeks. Show you guys how I just quickly clean up my apartment. We just moved here the end of April, so there is like still this here. We're still decorating. If you see random stuff, just excuse that. I have my groceries by the door, and this is laundry that is air drying, and this is clothes that need to be folded. I'm gonna go ahead and clean first to get everything out of the way, and then I will put the groceries up. All right, so the first thing that I always love to do when I'm cleaning is just play some music.
What sticks out, especially.
Okay, so now that the kitchen is pretty much clean, I need to wash these towels. Alright guys, so now that I have cleaned the kitchen, it's all nice and spotless. I've mopped the floors as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean out the, okay, you can't see me. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean out the fridge so I can put the new groceries for the next couple of weeks in. this instead of regular lemons. I feel like this will be a lot more convenient because me and my husband, we drink lemon water literally every day. Chocolate. Dark chocolate peanut butter cups, and they taste like Reese's cups, but they're dairy free. These are bomb. Organic potatoes, we go through these like crazy. These are just the gold potatoes and they are super good. Things that I needed were some toothpaste. I used the Tom's anti-plaque and whitening fluoride free natural toothpaste, flavor peppermint. Got some waffle mix. This is my favorite gluten-free pancake waffle mix. It's so good. It tastes like the real thing. I get this from Whole Foods. And I also picked up, these are the only two things I picked up from Whole Foods, was that waffle mix. I needed to get some more spirulina. This is really good for your skin if you have eczema. It also gives you energy. It helps with a lot of different things.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through.